Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a table in LibreOffice Writer. Now say for example we're going to be using the table to create a calendar. Here's how to do it. So you have this one right here, and this is the easy way. So as you can see, you can go ahead and basically just choose how many rows and columns you want to insert. Say for example something like that, and from here I can then go ahead and insert here, say for example Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on and so forth. There you go. Now, if I'm going to go ahead and insert here or right click this one, I can then go ahead and make something or make some changes here. I can also go ahead and insert, say for example, here I'm going to go ahead and insert one row above. And then if, say for example, I'm going to merge them, I can right click that, right click here, and then you have the merge cells here. Now, say for example, this is going to be January 2026, something like that. And then I can highlight that one and then put it in the middle. So I'm going to click this one right here, make it bold, and then go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. There you go. I'll make it bold again. Oops. All right. There you go. And yeah, basically you can then go ahead and proceed and make some edits. You have different tool options right here. You can basically just hover over in order for you to be able to read what their functions are. And again, everybody, that is how you are going to insert table here in LibreOffice.